I'll go. Contact at my 12 behind that rock. See him? Rock. Yeah. He's shooting close. Hey, Ben.
Yeah.
I'm thinking about pushing to my right. I got some decent cover with these rocks.
All right.
Because we got 3+ tangos to your 12, and we're pinned down here.
Ben,
So.
yeah. On your left, behind the tree trunk we hide behind. Is that Larry?
I see him.
I'm pretty like pinned. I can't move. I have a good mag.
Alright, you ready? I'm gonna push to my right.
Alright, when you're ready.
Cover me. Guys, I need suppressing fire down behind that broken log. Over. We got 2 tangos behind the broken log. Over. Say again. Over.
Just go on and move up to the right-hand side. There's only 2 more guys in that bush.
We got 2 guys on the left-hand side, one sniping. I had to fall back. I'm to your right. Over.
What's the status on the right side? They're just holding it, they're just not doing anything right now.
Hey guys, I couldn't make it to the right-hand side. I'm on the left side flanking right now. Over.
Oh, you were wrong.
I got one other teammate here with me. Over. I'm gonna try to move up left side, alright? Keep me covered. Alright, I'm gonna push left and try to engage them.
I'm gonna grab their attention, alright?
Alright. Guys, I'm moving up. Guys, this bunker at my 12.
Jordan, how's that flank on the left coming?
I'm in the back of them. I can use some support now. Over.
Well, right now I'm trapped in a building, so I can't get to you.
Okay, I'm gonna try to work my way up to you. Over.
Negative, negative. Don't work your way up to me. I'm heavily suppressed in this building.
Roger that. Moving. Right's clear. Moving. Contact directly at my 12. To the left. You can't miss him. I'm gonna run back this way and wrap around.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go here and wrap around. All right. Do you have eyes on?
Yeah.
Okay. Moving. All right, moving. Ben, I got a guy at my 12. He's hit, he's hit. Reloading, reloading. Different team, different team.
Reloading!
Hey Ben, I think we should take this hut, this building here.
Yeah, we should. That guy...
Moving right, moving right. Ben, you want to move?
Yeah, let's take that hut.
All right, let's go.
I have no clue where that fire's coming from.
Hey, you see the two trees in front of me? Yeah. I'm going to run to one of them, okay? Roger. Long time no see. Cover me! Hit! Friendly!
Friendly, guys, friendly! Hey, someone's out the tour. Get in the building. Friendly!
Friendly!
Leave it friendly. Friendly none.